You're watching the official part 2 of episode 1. If you missed part 1, make sure to check it out so you don't miss a single moment. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the continuation of this exciting episode. The danger, however, was clever. It moved in shadows, in whispered conversations, in sudden disappearances that left more questions than answers. Jamie and Claire knew they had to anticipate the moves of those who sought to exploit fear and suspicion. Every horse on the path, every unexpected knock at the door, every flicker of movement in the trees was met with caution. The ridge itself seemed alive with tension, every sound amplified, every shadow a possible threat. One evening, word arrived of a small band of outsiders, mercenaries, loyalists, and spies, moving toward their valley. Jamie's jaw tightened. The ridge could be defended, but only if everyone stood together, only if courage met preparation at every turn. He gathered his closest allies in the barn, their faces lit by flickering lanterns. "Tonight, we plan. Tomorrow, we act," he said, his voice steady but edged with urgency. "Every move counts. Every choice matters. We fight not just for ourselves, but for the ridge, for our families, for our future." Claire spoke next, her tone calm but firm. "We know who we can trust, and we know who we can't. We cannot act recklessly, but we cannot hesitate. We must protect the innocent, guide the frightened, and be ready for anything." The group nodded, understanding the stakes. Fear was real, but it could not control them. Strategy, courage, and unity would be their weapons. The dawn broke with a cold wind, carrying the scent of smoke and distant gunfire across Fraser's ridge. The warning signs Jamie and Claire had anticipated had come to life. The outsiders, a mix of mercenaries, loyalists, and spies, were moving closer, testing the ridge's defenses. Every heartbeat, every rustle of leaves, every shadow seemed to hold threat. It was no longer a question of, if, but, when, the first blow would strike. Jamie rode along the perimeter, eyes sharp and muscles tense, knowing that the moment to act was near. Villagers, once hesitant and fearful, now stood at his side, armed with whatever weapons they could muster and determination to defend their homes. Claire moved swiftly among them, tending to the wounded, calming the frightened, and offering clear guidance. The ridge, once a sanctuary, had become a fortress of courage, its people bound by the urgent need to survive. The first clash came with sudden ferocity. Shadows darted from the forest edge, torches and muskets blazing. Jamie and his allies met them head-on, using strategy and knowledge of the land to their advantage. The sound of gunfire echoed through the valley, mingling with shouts, cries, and the thunder of hooves. Each moment was a test of courage, every decision a life-or-death choice. The ridge would not fall, not while its defenders refused to yield. Claire moved through the chaos like a force of nature. Her quick thinking saved lives countless times, as she guided the injured to safety and treated wounds under fire. Every movement, every decision, was precise, calm, and determined. Jamie, inspired by her bravery, fought with the strength of a man who knew what was at stake. His sword cut through the enemy with practiced precision, but it was his leadership, his ability to anticipate and guide, that turned the tide. Amid the battle, secrets revealed themselves in devastating ways. Some villagers who had seemed loyal betrayed their true allegiance, while others stepped forward with courage no one had expected. The ridge became a crucible where character, loyalty, and courage were tested. Jamie realized that the real fight was not just with enemies at the gates, but with fear, doubt, and the weight of impossible choices. He faced moments where saving one life meant risking another, and each decision left scars, both physical and emotional. As the day wore on, the attackers began to falter. Jamie's careful planning, the courage of the villagers, and Claire's tireless guidance had turned the ridge into a place of resistance rather than surrender. Yet victory came with cost. Injuries, loss, and the heavy burden of responsibility weighed on everyone. Jamie and Claire stood together amid the aftermath, breathing hard, bloodied and exhausted, knowing that the ridge had survived, but that the battle had changed them all forever. Through the smoke and chaos, a sense of unity emerged. The community, tested to its limits, had held firm. Jamie looked around, seeing faces marked by fear and bravery, realizing that courage was contagious. Claire met his gaze, and in that silent exchange, they shared an unspoken truth: they had faced the storm together, and they would continue to do so. The soul of a rebel, Jamie thought, was defined not by the battles won or lost, but by the courage to stand when everything around you threatens to collapse. As night fell, Fraser's Ridge was quiet again, though the echoes of battle lingered in every shadow. Fires burned softly, tending the wounded and providing light. Jamie and Claire walked the ridge hand in hand, their hearts heavy but unbroken. The battle had been fought, but the war for survival, for trust, and for the soul of the ridge was far from over. And as the stars shone over the valley, both knew that the true test of a rebel's spirit was not just in fighting enemies, but in protecting what you love, against all odds, in the face of fear, and with unyielding courage. The morning after the battle brought a quiet that felt almost unnatural. Fraser's Ridge was still, save for the soft rustle of leaves and the distant murmur of the river. But beneath the calm, tension still pulsed. The danger had been repelled, yes, but the consequences of betrayal and secrets were only beginning to reveal themselves. Jamie and Claire walked through the ridge, observing the aftermath, their minds heavy with questions that demanded answers. It began with whispers from the villagers, hesitant at first, then growing in urgency. Secrets long buried were emerging, revealing hidden motives and unexpected alliances. Jamie listened, piecing together the puzzle. Some neighbors had risked their lives to protect the ridge, while others had betrayed them, lured by promises of power or fear of reprisal. Every revelation cut like a knife, a reminder that the fight for Fraser's Ridge was as much about the heart as it was about survival. Then came the confrontation Jamie had feared, the return of old enemies, faces he thought long gone. They had come quietly, under the cover of shadows, testing the ridge again, but this time with personal stakes that went beyond politics or battle lines. Words were exchanged, truths laid bare, and the weight of past grudges collided with present courage. Jamie faced them head-on, not just with sword or strategy, but with the strength of someone who had endured loss, betrayal, and endless struggle. Every word, every choice, was a step toward redemption, not only for himself, but for Fraser's Ridge and its people. Claire's role was equally crucial. Her intelligence, calm demeanor, and unwavering courage helped navigate tense confrontations. She discovered hidden messages, intercepted threats before they reached the ridge, and uncovered motives that could have destroyed them. With every revelation, she guided Jamie, showing him paths of strategy and mercy where anger might have taken the lead. Together, they formed a bond of trust and action, proving that courage coupled with wisdom could turn the tide of even the most dangerous challenges. The villagers, witnessing these confrontations and revelations, began to understand the power of loyalty and courage. Some who had doubted or feared stepped forward with bravery, confronting their own past choices and taking a stand for the ridge. Others, recognizing the wrongs they had committed, sought redemption through acts of courage or protection. The ridge became more than a home, it became a symbol of resilience, a community forged in fire, betrayal, and unbreakable spirit. Jamie and Claire, standing together at the center of it all, realized that the trials they faced were shaping not only the ridge but themselves. Every secret revealed, every enemy confronted, and every life saved strengthened the bond between them and reaffirmed their commitment to protect what they loved. The soul of a rebel, Jamie thought, was defined not by violence alone, but by the courage to confront truth, the strength to forgive, and the wisdom to act when danger threatened all you hold dear. As night fell, the ridge seemed to breathe again. Fires burned in hearths, laughter cautiously returned, and a sense of cautious hope began to thread through the community. The lessons were clear: trust must be earned, courage is tested in every choice, and redemption is possible even in the darkest times. Yet the ridge, resilient as it was, remained aware that the peace they had fought for was fragile. The trials had forged them stronger, but the world beyond their valley was still a place of unrest and uncertainty. Jamie and Claire stood together under the starlit sky, hands intertwined. The battles, revelations, and tests of loyalty had left scars, but they had survived, and the ridge had survived with them. And while they knew that more challenges would come, more enemies would rise, and more secrets would surface, the soul of a rebel burned brightly in the heart of Fraser's Ridge, unyielding, determined, and ready for whatever the future might bring. The sun rose over Fraser's Ridge with a warm, golden glow, casting light on a valley that had survived storms both literal and figurative. After the battles, betrayals, and revelations, life began to return, slowly, cautiously, but with a sense of hope that had seemed distant in the dark days before. The ridge, though scarred, stood strong, a testament to the courage and unity of those who called it home. Jamie walked through the fields, observing the work of his neighbors. Villagers mended fences, tended to crops, and rebuilt homes damaged during the recent turmoil. The air, once thick with tension, now carried a sense of renewal. Jamie felt a quiet pride as he watched families come together, their resolve unbroken, their bond strengthened by the trials they had faced. Every face told a story of resilience, every action spoke of courage, and every laugh, cautious but genuine, echoed the ridge's revival. Claire moved among the people, her presence a calming force. She tended the sick, taught the younger ones about the land and its dangers, and quietly reminded everyone of the strength that comes from unity. Even in moments of hardship, her wisdom and courage had guided them. Now, her guidance was shaping the ridge's future, ensuring that lessons learned in darkness would lead to light. She met Jamie's gaze, and in that silent exchange, there was acknowledgement of the journey they had survived together, the battles fought, the lives lost, the victories earned, and the love that had endured. The threats of the revolution were not entirely gone, but Fraser's Ridge had grown stronger, more prepared, and more united. Jamie and Claire realized that true strength lay not in avoiding danger, but in facing it with courage, love, and strategic thinking. The soul of a rebel, they understood, was not only about defiance against outside forces but about protecting what you hold dear, standing firm when all seems uncertain, and guiding others with wisdom and heart. As evening fell, the ridge glowed with the soft light of lanterns. Jamie and Claire stood together on the hill overlooking their home, hands entwined, hearts heavy with past memories but full of hope. The valley was alive with the quiet hum of life, children laughing, neighbors talking, fires crackling in hearths. It was a peace hard-earned, fragile yet precious, a reminder of why they had fought, endured, and survived. In those quiet moments, they reflected on their journey. Every challenge had tested them, every betrayal had hardened them, and every act of courage had strengthened the bonds of their community. The ridge was more than a home, it was a living proof that love, loyalty, and courage could withstand even the darkest storms. And while they knew that the world beyond the valley would always hold challenges, they were ready. Prepared. Unbroken. The story of Fraser's Ridge, Jamie, and Claire was far from over. But in this moment, the valley stood resilient, its people stronger, and the soul of a rebel shone brighter than ever. The battles had shaped them, the revelations had guided them, and the love that bound them together had carried them through. And as the stars sparkled above, the promise of tomorrow whispered across the ridge, life would continue, challenges would come, but courage, unity, and love would always endure. The ridge had survived the storm, and its heart, like Jamie and Claire, remained unyielding, ready to face whatever new chapter awaited. Night fell heavy and silent, and the ridge seemed to hold its breath. Jamie and Claire walked the perimeter one last time before the plans would be set in motion. Every step, every glance, every decision was deliberate. They were aware that one mistake could cost lives, and yet they pressed on. The enemy was clever, but so were they. The soul of a rebel, Jamie thought, is not just forged in battle, it is honed in moments of tension, in decisions that carry the weight of more than one life, and in the courage to act when fear would have others freeze. As dawn approached, the ridge was ready. Neighbors had been warned, defenses reinforced, and allies prepared. Jamie and Claire stood together, hands brushing, a silent promise passing between them. Whatever came next, they would face it united. The danger had not passed, it had only begun, but courage, careful planning, and unwavering love were their shields. And in that quiet, tense moment before the storm, Fraser's Ridge held its breath, ready for the coming battle. The soul of a rebel would not yield, not now, not ever, and the first steps toward survival had begun.
Like, comment, and share if you were shocked by Mark S. and Mark Scout's encounter. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all Severance secrets and behind-the-scenes moments. Watch full video on my YouTube channel for the complete mind-blowing scene.